Hey guys, welcome to
Our Travel Journey by Danielle and Alec.
Today I'll be talking about living abroad and the pros and cons of living abroad. So Alex and I have been living abroad for 2 months now in South and Central America. So little disclaimer for you, we've been in Costa Rica and Colombia and absolutely have been in some interesting situations for you, but are loving it so far. So for the first pro, I actually had to change locations. Seeing new places is number one on our list because at any time you can choose to be on a beach, see a rainforest, have a volcano in your front yard, or visit upcoming cities. While traveling, you're going to meet tons of people, whether that's on a tour, at your accommodations, or out and about. Making new friends is number 2 on our list. Like-minded people usually gravitate towards each other and visit the same places. So did you know America, Canada, and Europe's winter is actually South America and Central America's summer? Number 3 is your ideal climate. Alex and I absolutely love the summer. We chase it around the world and we could literally live in bikinis, shorts, and flip-flops. One nice thing about traveling is you can literally find whatever you're looking for around the world. Are you an adrenaline junkie like myself? If so, you'll love number 4, trying new things. We actually discovered a new water sport in Colombia called subwinging. If you're interested, check out the link above. Last but not least, number 5, trying new foods and drinks. Definitely has to make it on this list. If you're ever in South America or Central America, maracuya con leche is a must try. It's perfect and refreshing for a hot summer day. It's true what they say, what goes up must come down. Here are the 5 cons to living abroad. Number 1 is basic hygiene. You wouldn't think of it, but honestly, finding an accommodation with a washer and dryer is actually really hard to find. If you're staying in hostels or hotels, this is pretty scarce. Airbnbs might have a washer, but they're not gonna have a dryer, especially in South and Central America. So be prepared to hand wash your clothes or air dry them. Number 2 on our cons list, cooking. Cooking is pretty scarce while traveling abroad. Hotels are not gonna have a kitchen for you. And if you're staying in a hostel or Airbnb, they might not be as stocked or prepared as you would like. It might be a little crowded as well. Check out this video. Now, living abroad sounds glorious, but number 3 on our cons list is definitely the first world accommodations and comforts of America, of Canada, of Europe is not going to be the same in South or Central America. First of all, AC, space, and toilet paper, you might want to do some research because it's looking a little bit different in these countries. Number 4 is a little bit of a controversial one, but it's going to be transportation. Just remember, I'm in South and Central America, guys, and they're not as developed as some of the other countries. They do not have light rails, they don't have trains, they have buses and planes. Plane rides can be really expensive if you're going to fly everywhere, and the bus system is definitely going to take you more time. So calculate that in your travels abroad. Number 5 on our list can actually be both a pro and a con depending on where you're going and where you're coming from. Did you guess it? It's money, guys. Conversion rates are so different around the world. And if you're going to somewhere like Colombia, your money can be stretched so much farther than somewhere like England in the pound. Forever to get anywhere, and wow, what's going on with my hair?